Welcome back to Long Way Home, everyone. Today we're not just gonna muck around in the garage. Today I'm gonna share with you some of the motorcycling hacks that have helped me out since becoming a rider. We have also reached a milestone in our channel here, hitting 2,000 subscribers. Again, I know this is not a big number, but it is a motive for celebration for me, and I'd like to thank each and every one of you for subscribing and watching our shows and being part of this awesome community that we've created here. Special shout out to Peter Francis from Australia, if I remember, for commenting on most of the videos and reminding us that we've crossed over the 2,000 subscriber threshold. Cheers, Peter! Get your motorbike news in a pleasant way. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next episode. Hope you found all of those hacks, or some of them, useful. Let me know in the comments below what are some of the hacks that maybe you use when you go on longer trips or touring trips or any motorcycle trips. I'll test them out, and if they're good enough, then we'll put them in another video. That's the show, everybody. If you've enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. If you think you've learned something new, then consider subscribing to catch more of our videos, or consider becoming a Patreon to support us in making more videos. Cheers, and I'll see you on the next one.